Well, this one is just bizarre. Jamaican school officials have been warned by the Ministry of Education to take steps to prevent the continued exposure of children to the repulsive internet character Momo. The ministry noted that Momo appears in the middle of children's computer games and messaging services like WhatsApp and some other programs like Peppa Pig, encouraging children to downright do dangerous acts, right? And then there was some kind of memo sent out that someone is saying that Momo is actually a hoax.
No, BBC News.
So, I mean, the fact that it got attention, was it because they said that we need to look out for it and then it became something that was getting attention? Is it actually real? Is it not? We don't know. But the BBC News says that it's not real.
Well, Popcorn say.
Jesus. And Popcorn is our standing authority, right?
It's our standing authority.
Right.
Popcorn say Momo can't affect our children because they're not afraid of nothing. But I understand the dangers.
The first, as I got I actually got this warning from a friend of mine who lives in Azerbaijan.
Huh?
Yeah, she lives like somewhere not in Russia. She's a teacher.
Azerbaijan.
Jamaica, they're everywhere, you know. You know, so Jamaicans live everywhere. And thank you, Natalie, for sending it to me. But she sent it, and when she did, it was like, same time, I went and I said, Sonia, do you know anything about Momo? She said, no. I said, you see anything come up like that? She said, no. So I said, if you know and you see this thing, we talked about it, right? So I'm wondering, did we just give rise to something by someone sending out this promo? Because had I not been warned about it,
you wouldn't have said anything.
Right. So I'm saying, no, did we create it?
Yeah, but better to know.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, better to know than not to know. Well, some couple years ago, there's this thing with Charlie, some pencil flipping thing, and you know, so the internet is a scary place, especially for children.
Definitely.
Because they can put anything. Because you see Peppa Pig,
yeah.
I watch Peppa Pig from time to time.
You know, so my bestie love Peppa Pig. Like she dressed up as Peppa Pig over Christmas time, and so yeah, and share my age. Huh? Yeah, man, I have a Peppa Pig onesie. That's
a little different. But in honesty though, parents have to be mindful of the content their kids consume online.
Definitely. Yeah. And how do we set parental controls for those things? Because you know, a lot of us as parents, when we're tired, we just set them down in front of something electronic and them can watch YouTube and watch anything they want to watch. And I'm guilty of doing it sometimes. I'm not even going to lie. But we need to make sure that parental controls are set for things like that, so we know what they're watching, when they're watching it, and someone or something is monitoring it, because as easy as this could have been sent out and been false, it could have been true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Well, in other news, the Reggae Girls beat Chile 1-0 on Thursday night in the first of 2 friendly international matches. So Reggae Girls, if you don't know, they're going to France.
Whoop, whoop.
Yeah, Marlo Sweatman scored the lone goal in the 9th minute at the National Stadium. So it was seen to a lot of people at the stadium.
Were
Lots
you?
of people. No, I was tired. No, I was tired, man. But
all right, Mr. Okay,
because you look for me like said.
I understand.
Yeah, I believe you, no go.
No, I understand.
Yeah.
You're tired.
But it was great though. It was great to watch. I saw it. I watched it on YouTube. See? YouTube. I was watching on YouTube, and it's great that the girls have qualified for the World Cup. The thing I have a problem with is that they're not getting the support from where I sit. They're not getting the support. If the men had qualified for the World Cup, even say don't qualify for the World Cup, the men get all this attention, all the support from the corporate companies, and I can't. It doesn't sit well with me. The women have been performing at higher level than the men in not just football, netball. Yeah. Because even at the Gibson
netballers
relays,
don't get anything.
Yeah, at the Gibson relays, they had to have cans getting donations, and that's repulsive to me. Because if our women are carrying this nation on their back, they deserve the support.
Big up yourself.
Simple as that.
Big up yourself, friend. Yeah, and cool.
Yes.
But that's always been true though. That's something that happens, and I seem to think, this is my opinion, Jamaica tends to be a nation of bandwagonists. And that includes the corporates as well. So, beat me for the one, but I already said it. We don't get as much support unless something starts happening with you and you've made a stride.
Very true. But you know why I don't mind the bandwagonists?
Why?
As long as you're coming with your money, I don't care. But if I, as an athlete, know the people who are around me from day one, I stick to those people. But if the organists them come with their money, them come.
Yeah, I know, but I just feel like if we were given more, we could be further along. So, I mean, invest in local talent. And I'm not just talking about sports, I'm talking all across the board. Theatre, dance, whatever it is. media and invest in the local talent. And then when we actually start, blowing up, then you won't look so much like a bandwagonist when you jump on the bandwagon and say, oh, that person's Jamaican, because you know you actually helped. Ha! How about that? So next up, the RGR Communications Group Cross Country Invasion will end the Region 2 in Portland today. Titchfield High will come alive for the family fun day. So my ears say big things. My ears say entertainment over there, press K everything over there.
Bounce
about. My ears say enough entertainment and food and stuff.
I was gonna say that, and my favorite.
What about food? I'm gonna say a big bus outside when I came, and people are like packing up. And so, it's always good when we have cross country.
I wish I could go.
What you do today where you can't go?
What about things? I forgot. Don't a trench town.
Say, folks, Dwayne's life has gotten so busy. So busy.
But it's productive.
It's good, but so busy. That's it for the trending topics, guys. Listen to what you think on our social media pages everywhere. Twitter, WhatsApp.
Yeah, WhatsApp story.
WhatsApp. Oh, we're not on WhatsApp. Twitter, Facebook. Instagram, Facebook.
No Snapchat.
So come.